E agora sim, Dynamics 365 com o Copilot. A Microsoft, ela hoje trouxe ao mundo o primeiro Copilot de inteligência artificial, DCRM e ERP, onde você vai abranger desde vendas, marketing, atendimento, toda a cadeia de fornecimento e sua parte de operações. E a gente vai ver cada um desses aqui agora. A parte de vendas, onde você precisa de uma produtividade, uma disponibilidade dos seus gerentes de atendimento, seus vendedores, de um jeito muito proativo. E o Microsoft Viva vai fornecer isso para você. Qual que é o desafio que você tem? Então, geralmente, os vendedores dedicam mais de 66% do seu dia gerenciando e-mails, que são respostas repetitivas que vão ser criadas do zero. Então, tempo gasto pesquisando e-mail, bate-papo, documentos específicos para fazer a resposta é muito grande. Então, qual que é a solução? Com o Copilot, ele vai gerar estes e-mails de forma automática, modelando a partir de estilos, mensagens, vai integrar detalhes bem personalizados e vai escolher categorias de respostas pré-definidas com textos personalizados. Isso vai economizar muito tempo na criação de e-mail e vai te dar mais tempo para você envolver os seus clientes. Outro desafio que você tem, que é na parte das reuniões. Então, você vai ter horas e horas dedicadas a reuniões para você recapitular suas notas, suas anotações, os resumos das suas reuniões. E qual que é a solução? Com o Copilot, ele vai ter resumos automatizados dos principais tópicos e já vai colocar essas informações diretamente no CRM. Isso é fantástico. Vai economizar muito tempo dos vendedores.
Microsoft Viva Sales revolutionizes the seller experience. Kelly is a busy seller who gets help from Copilot in Viva Sales, which is available to Dynamics 365 sales customers and as a standalone offering to connect with Salesforce CRM. Copilot helps her to craft a response. Viva Sales automatically generates a suggested reply enriched with the content from the CRM data. You can see there is a mention of the product, the number of units, and the price point all seamlessly taken from the opportunity data and combined with the email context. With the content complete, she can simply copy the message to her email, make any minor adjustments to suit her style, and send. Not only is this far more effective than crafting a message from scratch, but Viva Sales can instantly store and update the insight back into CRM. As we take a look at Daisy, she uses the power of AI to help run world-class customer calls and meetings by taking notes so she can focus on the customer in her calls. Sales Conversation Intelligence in Microsoft Teams captures the key meeting highlights, questions asked, and even follow-ups. Now Daisy can take this data and create a simple follow-up summary across to her customer to build trust on next steps. Using Copilot, she no longer has to create her own follow-up based upon the notes. GPT generates a customer-ready meeting summary in a single click. The response embeds CRM data in previous meeting context for review and validation. This is something Daisy will see across all of the Copilot sales experiences. She can also see the linked meeting to confirm she has the correct context. Now our sellers can go do what they do best and close deals faster.
O que nós temos então no Dynamics Marketing com o Copilot? Qual que é o desafio? É você segmentar a sua audiência, que é selecionar qual que é o público. Então, com o Copilot no Dynamics Marketing, você pode usar o Azure OpenAI para poder aprimorar os seus segmentos, onde você vai passar descrições de qual que é o perfil que você busca daquele segmento. Você também tem a capacidade de criar e-mail marketing com sugestão assistida. Qual é o desafio? Você vai ter que produzir do zero esse conteúdo, vai ter um tempo extra de produção. Então, a ideia é que com o Copilot ele gere essas ideias para você de uma forma muito rápida e muito controlada.
Martina is a marketer at Campari Group, a worldwide leader in the spirits industry. Campari Group is looking to increase awareness of Negroni Week, an event that celebrates one of the world's greatest cocktails and raises money for global charitable causes. She is using Microsoft Dynamics 365 Marketing to send personalized emails to venue owners to get them involved, and she has only 2 days to complete her project. Martina starts by defining the audience for her email. Earlier, she learned from Dynamics 365 Customer Insights that she should tailor her outreach to bar owners in New York City who participated in last year's Negroni Week. At most companies, this means finding that one person that understands data models and queries to create the target segment. With generative AI targeting, Martina can describe who to send it to in her own words. She then creates a new email from a template, and the Copilot in Dynamics 365 Marketing asks her what key points she wants to make. Martina needs inspiration for her email content and sees tips and suggestions are quickly provided to her. She decides she wants the key points to be the purpose of Negroni Week and the impact it has made. She sets the tone to adventurous. Setting the tone allows Campari Group, a global company, to tailor the tone of voice for each brand and region's communication style, saving Martina hours of copywriting. With those few simple steps, Martina receives text ideas that will make her job fast and easy. Let's look at a couple of examples. Over the past 10 months, Dynamics 365 Marketing has been working with hundreds of companies and marketing emails in the public domain to tune the generative AI for marketing scenarios. As a result, Martina feels the ideas are exactly what she's looking for. With a couple of clicks, Martina adds the ideas into her email. She is able to easily make changes to ensure accuracy and add her own personal touches. What used to take hours now takes a couple of minutes. Martina and other marketers like her are able to focus on delivering the most relevant and engaging content faster than ever. She sends her message and completes her project far ahead of her deadline. With Copilot in Dynamics 365 Marketing, Martina now spends less time on copywriting and audience targeting and more time on creative and strategic efforts.
A gente tem o Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. Qual que é o desafio? Os profissionais de marketing têm que contar com os analistas e cientistas de dados para poder escrever as queries de SQL para poder obter insights dos seus clientes. Com o Copilot no Dynamics 365, você consegue fazer perguntas simples e ele vai responder para você de forma instantânea.
Martina is a marketer at Campari Group, a worldwide leader in the spirits industry. Campari Group is looking to increase awareness of Negroni Week, an event that celebrates one of the world's greatest cocktails and raises money for global charitable causes. Using Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Martina can review unified customer data to target the best region for an email campaign to promote the event. She believes New York City is a good location and wants to validate her hypothesis. With Copilot in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Martina can have a dialogue with her data to discover new customer insights to deliver targeted marketing campaigns. Using simple natural language, she can ask for insights from the Copilot and receive an answer back immediately. She can explore, understand, and predict customer preferences and needs without learning SQL or needing to engage the analytics team. Martina sees the answer to her question quickly, plus other suggested insights such as average age, event attendance history, and product preferences. The Copilot suggests additional questions to Martina, allowing her to uncover other customer data she may not have previously considered. Martina knows that bar owners are critical to campaign success, so dives in further. These prompts aid marketers like Martina to gain new, deeper understandings about their customers in near real time. With these insights, Martina has confidence that she has the right target audience to drive a successful Negroni Week campaign. She's done all this using Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, allowing her to take charge of her customer data to deliver effective marketing campaigns and unlock more revenue.
Nós temos o Dynamics 365 Customer Services. Qual é o desafio que você vai resolver com IA? Você vai ter uma dificuldade de escalar o seu atendimento personalizado. Seus agentes sob pressão vão ter vários casos para resolver. Com o Dynamics 365 Customer Services e Copilot, você vai ter rascunhos de mensagens a um clique. Você vai ter respostas de bate-pronto para você levar para o seu cliente dentro do contexto. Você vai gerar conteúdos e conversas ao vivo com base no que você já possui dentro da sua companhia e melhorar sempre a sua produtividade.
Copilot in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Service revolutionizes the support experience with generative AI. It empowers agents to easily leverage company knowledge, sources, and quickly generate optimized responses for customers in a single click. Copilot makes agents more productive and helps them deliver better customer experiences. Let's look at an example from Microsoft Azure, which uses Dynamics 365 Customer Service and has thousands of support engineers handling millions of requests every year. Ivan is a support agent at Microsoft. He answers complex customer questions on Azure sent via email. On his agent desktop, he sees the inbox to the left of the screen, and in the center, he can see all the relevant information and timeline for the case he is working on. He notices an email received from Claudia asking about a configuration issue with their Azure Kubernetes service cluster. Usually, responding to this kind of complex issue would take Ivan several minutes. He would spend time searching through multiple knowledge articles, finding the relevant section that connects with the customer's specific issue, and then writing up a response to the customer. Today, he is using Copilot. Copilot expands on the right side of his screen and helps him draft the perfect reply with just one click using generative AI. He can even provide custom prompts for the most complex cases. Copilot saves him time and helps deliver high-quality service. Copilot knows all of the context from trusted websites and Azure's internal data, including customer name and relevant knowledge articles, so Ivan doesn't have to spend time searching or typing. Now, he just has to review the response. The draft looks great, and with one click, he copies it into the email editor and sends it out, feeling confident that his customer is receiving the prompt, friendly service they deserve. Soon after, Ivan sees an incoming chat from another customer, Diane. The chat appears on the left side of his screen. In the middle, he has the relevant information for his customer. And on the right, Copilot is ready to help him. The Power Virtual Agents bot has already summarized that the customer is having trouble logging into their Visual Studio account. This helps him get a jump start on this conversation. Rather than searching on his own, he turns to Copilot for help, which uses generative AI to surface the latest information that is typically found across Azure's vast set of internal documents, including previously resolved case notes and published knowledge articles. Having already saved time researching, Ivan is able to follow up quickly with the customer to gather the right details needed to investigate. With the error code in hand, he checks in with Copilot one more time. In a single click, Copilot summarizes the customer issue from the live chat conversation and drafts a response that he can share. It appears the document which Copilot used to formulate this response is the right one, but Ivan knows he can always click through the source links to verify or make any edits to the response if he needs to. Satisfied, he decides to send it to the customer. This interaction shows the true power of Copilot. Even as a new support agent, Ivan feels empowered with the knowledge of his entire organization to resolve issues quickly. These are just a few examples of how Copilot in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Service revolutionizes agent productivity and customer experience across all engagement channels. With these innovations, organizations can feel assured that they're earning customers for life.
Temos aqui o Microsoft Virtual Agents. Então, você vai enriquecer o autoatendimento com a inteligência artificial conversacional. Então, o desafio é você escalar um atendimento personalizado, seus agentes vão ter dificuldade de resolver vários casos ao mesmo tempo. Com o Copilot, você vai, através do Virtual Agents, fazer conversa semelhante a um humano, onde você vai resolver mais casos através da sua base de conhecimento.
Power Virtual Agents continues to lead the industry with intuitive bot creation and now includes GPT capabilities that make it even simpler for users to create powerful bots. While many conversations can now be automated with GPT, Power Virtual Agents users will want to continue creating some topics manually, and the new GPT-based Copilot in Power Virtual Agents makes creating topics even simpler, using the power of natural language. For example, if I want to create a topic to allow customers to engage with an event planning team, I click on the New Topic button, choose the New Copilot option, and then simply describe the topic that I want to build. I'll provide a high-level description of the topic, including the information I want to collect from the customer. and I can add additional details such as the options for the event type that they should be able to choose from. Copilot in Power Virtual Agents takes this prompt and uses it to generate an entire topic, including relevant trigger phrases and questions, using the correct pre-built entity types for the name, email, and phone number, and a multiple choice question using the options I specified for the event type. Next, as well as using the rich capabilities within the authoring canvas to continue editing my topic, I can also iterate using natural language. I'd like to show the customer a summary of the information they've provided in a rich, visual format like an adaptive card. To do this, I can simply ask for this in the Copilot pane. Almost instantly, Copilot generates the JSON for the adaptive card, summarizing the customer's details, and adds this card to the message node at the end of my topic. I can also easily see which nodes were added or updated in response to my request. Finally, I'd like to ask the user to confirm their details are correct. Through another simple prompt, a new question node is added to my topic, asking the user for confirmation. I can now save my changes and quickly test that my new topic, built entirely through natural language, is working correctly. From here, I can use Power Virtual Agents to publish this bot to any channel with a few clicks, or see rich analytics on how my users are interacting with it in our built-in analytics. With Copilot in Power Virtual Agents and other novel GPT features, we are transforming bot building and democratizing conversational AI to make bot building truly natural for everyone. We can't wait for you to try them out yourself at aka.ms/trypva.